Hey everyone, it's Ali. Welcome back to my channel where we explore the latest tools and tips to help you succeed. Today, we're diving into ChatGPT, a powerful tool that can help you make money in ways you might not have imagined. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just any ordinary software. ChatGPT is like a super smart computer program that can write stories, create content, and even answer your questions with incredible accuracy. Think of ChatGPT as your new business partner, always ready to assist you. It can help you with tasks that take a lot of time and effort, freeing you up to focus on what you do best. Imagine writing a blog post in minutes or creating social media captions with just a few clicks. The possibilities are endless. That's the power of ChatGPT. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for extra income, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon to unlock new opportunities. In this guide, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to unlock new earning opportunities. From content creation to customer service, the potential is vast. So buckle up and get ready to discover the exciting world of AI-powered income generation. Let's get started on this incredible journey together. Before we dive into the fun stuff, let's get you set up on ChatGPT. Don't worry, it's super easy. First, head over to the ChatGPT website. You can find it by searching ChatGPT on Google. Once you're on the website, look for a button that says Sign Up or Try ChatGPT. Click on it, and you'll be asked to create an account. You can use your email address or log in with your Google or Microsoft account. After you've created your account, you'll need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for an email from ChatGPT and click on the verification link. Now you're ready to log in. Go back to the ChatGPT website and enter your login details. Congratulations, you're now a member of the ChatGPT Club. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start talking to ChatGPT. Think of it like having a conversation with a very intelligent friend. You can type in your requests, called prompts, and ChatGPT will respond with helpful information or creative text formats. The key to getting good results is to be clear and specific with your prompts. For example, instead of asking, "Write me a story," try something like, "Write a short story for children about a friendly dragon who loves to bake cookies." The more details you provide, the better ChatGPT can understand your needs and deliver amazing results. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and see what kind of creative outputs you can generate. Section 4. ChatGPT in Action, Making Money in the Real World. Now for the exciting part, how to make money with ChatGPT. This powerful tool can open up numerous opportunities for you to earn an income from the comfort of your home. Let's explore some real-world examples and see how you can leverage ChatGPT to your advantage. Content creation. ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, articles, social media captions, and even website content. Imagine the time you'll save and the quality of work you can produce with this AI assistant. You can offer your writing services on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms are bustling with clients looking for quality content creators. Customer service. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that answer customer questions and provide support. These chatbots can handle a variety of queries, making them invaluable for businesses. Businesses are always looking for efficient customer service solutions, and chatbots are becoming increasingly popular. You can offer your chatbot building skills to these businesses, helping them streamline their customer service operations. Translation. If you're multilingual, ChatGPT can help you translate documents and websites quickly and accurately. This can be a huge time saver and a valuable service. This is a valuable service for businesses operating in multiple countries, as accurate translations are crucial for effective communication. Online tutoring. ChatGPT can assist you in creating educational content and answering student questions. This can be particularly useful for subjects that require detailed explanations. You can use it to offer online tutoring services in various subjects, reaching students from all over the world. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can help you generate income. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your creativity. So get creative, explore different avenues, and see how ChatGPT can help you achieve your financial goals. Section 5. Boost your ChatGPT earnings. Tips and tricks. In this section, we will explore some effective strategies to help you maximize your income using ChatGPT. Ready to take your ChatGPT earnings to the next level? Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your current earnings, these tips will provide valuable insights. Here are some tips and tricks that can make a significant difference in your earnings journey. Niche down. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades, focus on a specific niche. Specializing allows you to become an expert in a particular area, making you more valuable to clients. For example, become an expert in creating content for the travel industry or building chatbots for e-commerce businesses. This targeted approach can help you stand out in a crowded market. Market your skills. Create a strong online presence to showcase your ChatGPT skills. A professional website and active social media profiles can attract potential clients. Build a website, create social media profiles, and network with potential clients. Attend industry events, join online groups, and engage with your audience to build relationships. Offer packages. Instead of selling individual services, bundle them together into packages. This not only provides more value to clients, but also increases your overall earnings. For example, offer a content creation package that includes blog posts, social media captions, and website copy. Bundling services can make your offerings more attractive. Stay updated. ChatGPT is constantly evolving, so stay up to date with the latest features and updates. Keeping your skills current ensures you can offer the best services. Join online communities and forums to learn from other users and share your knowledge. Engaging with a community can provide support and new ideas. By following these tips, you can maximize your earning potential with ChatGPT and build a successful freelance career. Remember, consistency and continuous learning are key to long-term success. Section 6. ChatGPT and you, a winning team. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this beginner's guide to making money with ChatGPT. Remember, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you unlock new income streams and achieve your financial goals. Don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and explore different possibilities. With hard work, dedication, and a little help from ChatGPT, you can achieve amazing things. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for ChatGPT today and start your journey towards financial freedom.